Tragedies are commonplace. All kinds of diseases. People are slipping away. Economy's down. People can't get enough pay. But as for me, all I can say is thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Folks without homes, living out in the street, and the drug habit some say they just can't beat. Muggers and robbers, no place seems to be safe. But you'll be my protection every step of the way. And I want to say thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me. Oh, 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 oh. It could have been me outdoors and no food and no clothes. I'm just another number